Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the vintage tool in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we're going to open the application. After that we need to select our image, so we are going to click on the plus icon. After that, I'm going to select our preferred image. After that, we are going to click on Tools at the bottom of our screen, and then Vintage. Here we have three options. The first one is Blur, which will blur our borders of our image, like so. Second is Manual Adjustment. And the third one is Styles. First, we are going to click on the third one, which will bring up some pre-made styles, like so. We need to select one of them. And with the second option, we can bring up 4 options to adjust our image. The first one is brightness. We can change the brightness of our image. The second one is saturation, which will change the saturation of our image. The third one is style strength, which will change how strong our filter is. And the last one is vignette strength, which are those dark borders around our image. If you want to compare it to our original photo, we can do that if we click on the upper right corner, like so. And if we are done, we can either dismiss the changes with the X icon right here, or we can apply those changes to our image with the check mark. We are going to apply them. After that, if we want to save our image, we need to click on Export. It's going to show us 4 options. Share, which will share it to our friends on our preferred platform. Save, which will save our image. Export, which will also save our image, but it will adjust the image to what we set it on in the settings menu. And Export as will save our image to our preferred folder. We're going to click on Save. After that, we can view our image with View. I'm going to select Gallery. And here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.